Have you been in an accident? If so, the St. Pete Hammer's gonna fight for you. Don't let the insurance companies bully you while your medical bills pile up like flapjacks. Get the Hammer in your corner and get paid today.
What in the hell was that?
Is that what passes for a personal injury lawyer these days?
I swear there's like a hammer guy or a law hawk in every corner of this country.
Let's show them a different way to practice law. Growing up with a father as a police officer and a mother as a teacher, it inspired me a lot to always look out for the little guy. I experienced several years of defending major international corporations in multi-million-dollar lawsuits. But it wasn't nourishing my soul. It wasn't doing what I went to law school to do. So I left that world and we started Phillips, Hayden Labbee, and the goal was to bring that level of representation, that sophisticated legal experience to the everyday locals.
From an early age, I wanted to make a big impact. Personal injury doesn't just cover obtaining a monetary relief for a client. I mean, it's emotional, it's physical, and it's every day. This isn't a law firm that treats something like an assembly line. This is unique and tailor-fitted to what every single client needs.
There was an accident that occurred in a home and my daughter was injured. She ended up being hospitalized. It's extremely nerve-wracking. You're in complete shock. You just don't ever expect something like that to happen. That extra stress of trying to balance work and being there to take care of her, that was difficult. You know, the reality sinks in that you're gonna have medical bills that you weren't possibly anticipating. When I reached out to PHL, I immediately had a weight lifted off my shoulders. I was able to communicate quickly. Everybody on their staff were extremely friendly, quick to respond. They were good with technology. They made it easy for me to sign documents considering I'm not even in the same place as them. If someone else was ever in my shoes, I would recommend PHL to them. They personalize your experience. They treat you like a real person. They made the entire process easier.
We use technology in our practice to streamline just about everything, whether that's cloud-based storage or video conferencing, so that we can keep our clients updated and informed. We take every case, every client, as if it's our own family member or friend, because at the end of the day, you become a family member.
It's more than just legal advice, it's life advice. I'm trying to be there to help these clients navigate the lifelong ramifications of their injuries, not just from a legal perspective, but from a human perspective. If you're injured, you have somebody in your corner. You have an advocate. You have Phillips, Hayden, and Labbee. Now that's a different way to practice law.